This video will show you how to complete the WriteAbout worksheet. The video is going to feature the ancient Greece gods and goddesses article that is located in Blackboard under Myths, Legends, and Folktales. So this is what the worksheet looks like. Before you begin, I would recommend that you put your name, both first and last, and your homeroom on the worksheet. The first thing that you need to do is write down the name of the topic, article, or passage, and because a News ELA article is assigned, you're going to write down the name of the article. The article is right here. Remember, you can adjust the Lexile level. You can adjust it up or down based on your needs. I'm going to use the 520L Lexile level for today. The title is Ancient Greece, Gods, Goddesses, and Heroes. So I'm going to put that on the top of my worksheet after I have put my name and homeroom on the paper. So make sure you put your name, first name, last name, and for your homeroom, make sure you put the teacher's name. The title of the article, and there we are. So when we begin, the directions, there are 3 different parts. The first part is that you need to draw a picture or write symbols in the box to summarize the topic. You'll need to do that after you read. You also need to list keywords about the topic. I would recommend doing this as you read the article. And then the last thing you need to do is write a paragraph. It says to summarize your learning by using the terms above, which are these terms right here, in a 5+ sentence paragraph about the topic. So that means that your paragraph needs to be at least 5 sentences. It says to check off your terms as you use them and circle them in your paragraph. So before I do anything else, I'm going to read the entire article. At this point, please pause the video and read your article at whatever Lexile level you have chosen on your own. Welcome back. So I'm going to show you my worksheet that I have begun filling out. As a reminder, I have my name, my homeroom, and the name of the article. After I read, I drew a picture to symbolize what I read. I drew a book with 2 Greek gods coming out of the pages of this book. I drew that because this article is about the gods and goddesses, the heroes, and their stories. As I read, I wrote down 5 keywords. You need at least 5. I wrote down gods, myths, lessons, questions, and heroes. And then I started my summary. It says the ancient Greeks worshipped many gods. As a reminder, I am supposed to circle the words as I use them in my passage. So I'm going to do that for you so you can see that. I'm supposed to circle the words in my passage. Gods I use here. I'm also supposed to check them off. Check mark. Okay. They wrote myths or stories about the gods. So here's myths. Okay. Need to circle myths. Some of these myths help the people who read them to learn lessons. So I've got the word lessons. You just check off the word lessons. Okay. And so far I've used 3 terms. I have checked them off and I've circled them. I'm not done with my summary, but this gives you a pretty good overview of what you're supposed to do with this assignment. If you have questions, please ask them. Otherwise, go ahead and get started on your own assignment.